Good morning students, welcome in our English online class. Students, today we will start a new topic of English course book and that is chapter number 5, Project Sunshine. So students, be ready with your English course book for the explanation of this chapter. Jeet and his friend Rakesh were talking about their EVS project. Jeet and Rakesh were friends, they were in the same class, so they both were talking about the project which they got. In which subject? In EVS subject. Jeet asked Rakesh what he was making. Rakesh could not hide his excitement. Rakesh planned that what did he prepare for the EVS project, and he was very excited for his EVS project. So he told Jeet about his planning. I am making a model of a school with my dad. What about you? Now, these lines were said by Rakesh to Jeet. Now, Rakesh told that he was making a model of the school with his dad. And then afterwards, he asked about Jeet's plan. Jeet made a face. If only I could figure that out, he muttered. He was murmuring. Silently, he was speaking to himself that he hasn't planned anything. He was just thinking of a figure that would come in his mind. Then afterwards, he would start to work on his project. As he looked out of the window, thinking hard, he saw an aeroplane flying into the horizon. Now, as he was just talking to his friend, that time he looked out of the window and there, what did he see? He saw an aeroplane, and then afterwards he got an idea of his EVS project. Idea, he shouted. Who shouted here? Jeet. I am going to build a model plane. Let me ask Uncle Shesh. Uncle Shesh arrived on Saturday morning. He looked as smart as always. He was a pilot with the Indian Air Force. So, he planned to make a model of aeroplane and he wanted his uncle's help for this project. Uncle Shesh was all smiles. Don't you worry, Jeet. You will have the best project in your class. But we must work to a plan. First, we need a. Now, Uncle Shesh was ready to help Jeet. He said that first of all, we need to prepare something for the project, and then afterwards definitely you will get a best project in your class. Design, cried Jeet, who had already found out a thing or two on making toy planes from the internet with the help of his father. Uncle Shesh made a sketch. Now they were preparing the sketch of the aeroplane. Jeet wrote down the measurements as Uncle Shesh called them out. Now they both started the preparation of the EVS project. Then, with the help of Uncle Shesh, he quickly drew up a list of things they would need. Now, what are the things they required to prepare the model of aeroplane, to make a model of aeroplane? So, they prepared a list of all the things, whatever they need to prepare the EVS project. And what were the things in that list? One piece of wood for the body of aeroplane, some smaller thinner pieces of wood for the wings and tail, 2 ice cream sticks for the propellers, one round wooden stick for the nose of the aeroplane, a small piece of iron wire or paper clip for the axle of the propellers. So these all things are required to prepare the model of aeroplane. So he wrote all the things in the list. Now then he made the list of tools. Now whatever the tools he needed to make the aeroplane, the model of the aeroplane, he wrote that list also. And what were the things that was there in the list of tools? Saw, sanding paper, drill, wire cutter and wood glue. These are the things that were required to prepare the aeroplane model. So they both have written, Uncle and Jeet. Now Jeet was almost in tears when he opened the toolbox. He had a toolbox in his home. So when he opened the toolbox, he started to cry. Why? What was the reason? But we don't have all these in the toolbox, he cried. Because whatever the things he had written, the things were not there in the toolbox. That's why he started to cry. Don't worry, said Jeet's father. We will buy all these from the market. Let's get in the car. He was eager to get started. That time Jeet's father was there. He told him that don't worry about the tools, whatever things you needed. We will go to the market now and then we will purchase all the things from the market. So they both went to the market to purchase the things whatever required for the aeroplane. They spent the morning at the market buying each item carefully. Now they went to the market to buy all the things, the tools, the things, the wood, the piece of wood, whatever things they have written, they went to the market to buy all the things. After they came back, the three sat down to the task. Now they all started to make the model. And who were these three? Jeet, his father and uncle. Mother made them tea and sandwiches. Jeet helped Uncle Sresh and his father build the plane. Now they started the work. Mother helped him by giving them the tea and the sandwiches. They took the bigger piece of wood for the body and drew the design on one side. Then they cut out the basic shape with the saw. When the basic shape was done, they used sandpaper to make the edge smooth. Now they started the work and Jeet was helping them by giving them the tools, by giving them the things whatever they wanted. In this manner, Jeet was helping them in making the model. For the wings and tail, they took some small pieces of wood. They drew the wings and tail measurements on the wood and sawed those off. Now they were step by step, they were just making the model of aeroplane. Then came the fun part. What was the fun part? Jeet glued the pieces of wings and the tail together. With the help of the glue, what did he do? He glued the pieces of wings and the tail together. Now then what happened? For the propellers, they used two ice cream sticks. They glued the two sticks onto each other in the middle. Now they made the propeller also. Jeet watched as Uncle Sresh filed a larger round stick until it was the right shape. That was to become the nose of the plane. You can see here, this is the model of aeroplane. Jeet was holding the model of the aeroplane. This is the nose. Okay. That was become the nose of the plane. But bit by bit the plane was taking shape. Step by step they are just preparing the model of the aeroplane. And finally it was ready. The aeroplane was ready now. Yippee! Shouted Jeet. Now he was very happy. May I paint it now? Now he wanted to color it. Of course, said his father, smiling broadly. Jeet painted the plane bright yellow. Then his father gave him the permission to color the aeroplane. He painted the aeroplane bright yellow. Can I fly it now? Asked Jeet once the paint was dry. Now when he did the coloring, then afterwards he asked from his father that can I do this at now? Can I fly it now? Of course, laughed Uncle Sresh. Ask your friends to join you, boy. They will be thrilled. They will be very excited to join you. They also wanted to see the model that you have prepared. So uncle told him to tell to your friends about this aeroplane. In no time, Jeet and his friends were running around the playground pretending to fly the toy plane. What fun! The children cried together. Have you thought of a name for your plane? Asked his father. Now his father asked Jeet that, have you thought of a name for the aeroplane which you made today? The model of the aeroplane? I shall call it Sunshine, Jeet replied proudly. So what was the name of the aeroplane? Sunshine. Jeet couldn't wait to take the plane to school. Now next day when he went to school, he took the plane with himself. That night, he put his proud creation inside a large cardboard box. On the box, in bright shining red letters, he wrote. Now his EVS project was ready. That's why he was very happy, and he put his model aeroplane inside a large cardboard box. And then afterwards on the box, what he has written? Jeet Gupta. That was the name. That and class C, in that class he was, and the name of the project, the subject of the project is EVS project, that he has written on the box. Now he was very happy to submit the project to the subject teacher. So students, I hope the chapter is clear to you. That's all in today's lesson. Have a nice day.